Hello everyone, I hope you're all hale and healthy. Today I have brought to you one of the most beautiful and deadliest beauties of the nature, snakes. Snakes are as beautiful and as deadly as they come, so it is recommended to view them from afar. So today here I have brought to you some of the world's rarest and most beautiful snakes in the world. Enjoy! If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out the notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.